So class start.
This should be done in 10 minutes now. Assalamu alaikum. Ayan, you are in the group now? Meeting में हो ना?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Oh, done, mashallah. That's great.
Sir, I'm done.
Okay, that's perfect. Okay.
Sir, I'm done.
Uh, we're done. Let's wait for another 5 minutes, please, or like 2 more minutes. Then we can discuss the answers quickly. Few of the students. Those who have joined a bit late, they can just take screenshots, do the working later on, and send the answers to me once you're done. If you have any difficulties, just let me know. Basically, we are doing non-linear simultaneous equation, and for that, we have to make sure that we know this thing. Okay. Okay. By the time our students have done that, I'll tell you guys how to solve these same equations using quadratic formula. Okay. Quadratic formula, I'll see whether it's given to you guys in the exam sheet or not, but you have to memorize this because this is very important thing. So basically, it's x equals to negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay.
Okay.
So the students make mistake that they just put this 2a within like beneath the under root, and that definitely changes the answer. You guys are going to plug in the values in the formula, and then you can use your calculator to solve the answer. At least show 3 steps of your working, at least, because this is for 4 mark, and that's going to be for the paper 4. Okay. Mostly these questions, which cannot be solved using factorization, they are being asked to solve using the quadratic formula because you're going to get your answer most probably in decimals and they're more complex. Okay. For instance, if I have the first one, so what are these a, b, and c? The coefficient of x square is going to be a, and the coefficient of x is going to be b, and the coefficient of the number, the only number, along with the sign. If it's positive, you don't write. But if it's negative, that's going to make difference, so you write it. Now we're going to plug in these values into the formula minus 3 plus minus under the root, and that's going to be negative 10 squared, negative 4
सर एक सवाल है,
a c. हाँ बोलो.
ये तीनों वैल्यूज हमें गिवन होंगी लास्ट में, तो फिर हमें इस्तेमाल करना है, सही है?
Exactly. Exactly. If something is missing, you can consider that to be 0.
सही.
For instance, I wrote this equation, okay? For instance, you have equation 5x squared minus 3x equals to 0. So your c is missing. You're going to take it as 0. Okay? Okay, coach.
सही.
So now, you have like don't just take out the answer in one single step. It's 4 mark question. You need to show the steps. They do ask show your working. A negative sign with an even power will become positive, and then 4 3s are 12, and 12 8s are, I guess it's 96. No, how many is 12 8s are? 12, yeah, it's 96 and 6. Okay. So we're getting negative 3 plus minus under root of 4 and then 6. So one of the answers will be written as with plus, okay, and one with minus. So x equals to negative 3 plus under root 4. That's coming out to be 2. Okay. So plus minus 2 over 6. Now you're going to write one with minus and one with plus. Okay. So it's coming out to be 1 over 6 and minus 5 over 6. Who is getting the same answer for question number 1?
Question number 1.
Yeah. By using factorization.
Sir,
Sir, I got 4 by 3 and 2.
You got 4 by 3 and 2. Let me check what is
I
mistaken over here.
got 2 and 4 over 3.
2 and 4 over 3. Okay. Just let me check on. So minus b. Okay. Oh, my bad. Instead of taking 10, I have taken 3. That is why the answer is correct. Okay. So I mistakenly took 4AC, 4AC, that's fine. I have written the wrong number outside. So it should be negative minus B, okay? Plus minus. All right. So it's going to be 10 plus minus this. So finally you got. So you should get the same answer from both the methods. So that's going to give you 10 plus minus 4 over 6. So one of them is going to be 10 plus 4 over 6, and the other one is going to be 10 minus 4 over 6. Okay. This is 14 over 6. So you got 2 sevens are 7 over 3. And when you're going to get 6 over 6 over 1.
हाँ सर मेरा ये आंसर आया.
Who is getting the same answer? 7 over 3 and 1.
For question 2.
Oh, even I did wrong. Now the question number 1. The
Sir,
mistake.
I'm not getting the same answer.
Yeah. Just let me rectify.
me-
Because this is under root 4. So it's going to be plus minus 2. Okay. All right. Now
Sir,
I'm good. Now we're.
सर
Maybe
मेरे
4, 3 and 2.
Yeah. So one is coming out to be 12. So 6 1s are 6 2s are. And the other one is 8 over 6. So it's going to be 4 over 3. I think so you guys must have the same answer.
Sir, I'm getting 4
Yes.
over 3. And the other one,
It's 2.
I'm not getting 2.
सर मेरा 1 आया है और वो अपना कहते हैं 7 एक सेकंड जी सर 1 और 4/3
Okay.
मैंने साइन में गड़बड़ करी होगी मुझे जरा खुद देखना है.
3x square minus 10x plus 8 equals to 0. So you guys are going to multiply these two numbers. Let's make 24. Okay. So I have to split minus 10 into 24. So both the numbers should be minus. Only then we are going to get a positive number. Okay. 3x squared minus xx minus 4x. Because I have to make a minus 10. Okay. Plus 8 equals to 0. So now x, 3x taken common, x minus 2 minus 4, x minus 2 equals to 0. 3x minus 4 and x minus 2 equals to 0. Getting? So 3x minus 4 equals to 0. X is 4 over 3. And x minus 2 equals to 0. So x is going to be 2. You do it like this. Okay. You do either that way or that way. That's the same thing.
Sir, instead of taking minus 6 and minus 4, can you take minus 12x and positive 2x?
Never. Because I need to have a product which is positive. 3 8s are 24. It's coming out positive. I need a positive number. Okay. The two factors should be multiplied in such a way to get positive 24. So if one is positive, the other one is negative, I'm not getting positive 24. Okay. I've already taught you guys that when the case is case number 2, in which the middle term is negative, so the two factors must be negative. Okay. Are you getting? Case number 1, both positive. Case number 2 like this. Case number 3, the bigger number positive and the smaller one negative. Okay. In case number 4, the bigger number is negative and the smaller number is positive like this. Okay. Is that clear or not?
Sir, it's clear. Yes,
Ji.
sir, it's clear.
Okay. So now you guys can do the same questions using the quadratic formula and verify your answers. Okay. If the answer is coming the same, you can solve. I'm telling you which question you're going to do using quadratic formula. So you're going to do this one, and you're going to do this one, and you're going to do this one as well. Okay. This one I've already done, so you guys can try this one. Okay. Start.
सर एक सवाल है
Mhm.
हमें ये कैसे पता चलेगा ए कौन सा है बी कौन सा सी कौन सा मतलब ऑर्डर से है जो पहला वाला वो ए है दूसरा वाला बी दूसरा वाला सी
Exactly. So if this
सर
is
जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में x स्क्वायर है तो ये आपका a हो जाएगा.
1, a
Okay.
squared, a is 1. Okay. And please don't write x in the formula. It's nowhere in the formula. What do kids do? They write x as well. No, you're just going to write like it's only 1,
Number.
2, 3. The numbers are going to be input in the formula. Okay. So let's come to question number 3. Who's going to tell what is A, B, C? Saad, you tell us.
So for question number 3, sir,
Yeah.
A equals 3, B equals negative 10, and C equals
No.
8.
I'm talking about question number 3 now. Question number 3. So what are the values of A, B, and C? We have to extract from the question.
Okay, so x equals 3.
No. I'm asking you to beta. Let me know what are A, B, and C in this equation, which you're going to plug in the formula. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone?
सर मैं बताता हूँ
सर
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 ए होगा
या
एन बताएगा
Okay, who is going to tell?
ओके सर ए होगा हमारा 1 बी होगा हमारा -7 और सी हमारा हो जाएगा 10
Yes, Saad, is that clear to you or not?
So it's clear.
And then you're going to plug in these values in the formula. Okay, and then see. Okay, start. Your answers must be verified. If they're not coming the same, that means you have done some mistakes.
तो सर अभी हमारा है फॉर्मूला के अंदर -b और हमारा नंबर है -7 तो नेगेटिव नेगेटिव
Negative,
पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा
positive.
और हम इसको सिर्फ
Yes.
सही हो गया
Cheat. Okay.
हेलो सर।
जी बताइए बेटा।
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का जो आंसर आ रहा है ना, वो आ रहा है -2 और +5।
और उस मेथड से क्या हो रहा है?
जी सर।
दोनों मेथड से सेम आंसर आना चाहिए।
सर मैंने अभी एक मेथड किया है बस, क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूले वाला।
आप फैक्टराइजेशन से भी करें, क्योंकि पहले मैंने फैक्टराइजेशन से करवाया, सारे बच्चों ने वो कर लिया ना। तो पहले फैक्टर दो, अब जब आप इन 3 क्वेश्चंस को करें, दोनों मेथड से करें, आपका आंसर सेम आएगा, तो उसमें आप दोनों से ही करें। ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मुझे बताइए।
ठीक है सर।
सर मैंने सॉल्व करके देख लिया, तो अभी मैंने 3 और 5 किए हैं, तो उनके सेम आंसर्स आ रहे हैं जो उसमें मेरे आ रहे थे फैक्टराइजेशन करते हुए।
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट, तो आप 7 भी कर लीजिए, वेरी गुड।
सर
और
मेरा भी
जैसे
सेम
ही
आंसर आ रहा है।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, सो जस्ट कंप्लीट 7 एंड वे गो टू द रियल टॉपिक। ठीक है, फिर मैं आपको काम असाइन करूंगा, जबरदस्त।
सर
तो
मैंने
व्हाट इज मेरा
क्वाड्रेटिक
टारगेट?
2 दफा अटेम्प्ट किया है, मेरा सेम वाला आंसर आ ही नहीं रहा फैक्टराइजेशन वाला।
ओहो, तो माइट बी पॉसिबल फैक्टराइजेशन गलत की हो आपने।
ओह, ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं।
एग्जैक्टली। इफ यू आर
आंसर
नॉट
क्या आ
गेटिंग
रहा
द
है इसका,
सेम
मुझे कोई
आंसर,
बता सकता है?
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन नंबर
confirm the
3 का।
answers please.
Sir, can I answer
Yes,
for number 7?
yes, please.
For number 7, I got 3 and 2.5. Using quadratic formula, I got 3 and 2.5.
Which one's here? For
Question,
number?
question
Question
7.
question 7. Okay. So 2x squared take away 11x.
It's supposed to be 2 by 5.
Yeah,
I mean
that's
5 by 2.
2.5.
Yeah, that's fine. 2.5. You can write like this as well. 5 by 2. That's fine. Okay. So have you checked on using the factorization as well?
Yes.
You're getting the same
Yeah.
answer? All right.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर कंफर्म कर सकता है कोई?
हाँ उमर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर आ रहा है -2 और 5।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
वेलकम।
Okay. Just wanted to confirm if these answers are correct. Okay. Uh, mhm. Just a second. Yeah, Saad, we don't write like this, beta. Why are you like segregating this with the brackets? Should be no brackets put. Okay, don't put the brackets, else it's all good. In the first
Okay, sir.
line, in the first line, you're putting brackets around, so that's going to make it wrong. Okay, you can. Okay, if you want to make pairs, you can just use using a pencil. You can put lines over it so that you can remember that these two are being paired up. Okay,
Sir, that's why I just put the brackets so that I can know that they're paired up.
but you don't put the bracket. That's going to make it wrong because if you put the bracket before -4, that -4 is going to get multiplied with 8 and is going to make it +8. Okay,
Okay,
so you
okay,
don't put brackets. That's
yes, sir.
mathematically wrong. Okay.
Okay. But the answer is still correct, right?
Answers are correct. They're good. Okay, let me check the second one. 9 and 6, -9, -6. Okay, that's fine. All right, they're good. Okay, fine. Good, good, good. Any response from Zaryab? He's enjoying today?
No, sir. Sir, he hasn't seen the message till now.
I think he's not taking the class today. Let's see. Okay, move on.
सर एक दफा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 करवा दे.
Okay, sure. So we are doing it with both the methods, okay? X square minus 7x plus 10.
जी सर दोनों मेथड्स करना.
Okay, so this is case number 2, and we're going to have both the numbers. Okay, so this is going to be, think of two numbers which give 10 and add up to 7.
सर 5 और 2
Yes, and they both will be having negative signs. Good.
बिल्कुल ऐसे.
Okay, like this. Taking x common from the first one, I'm getting x minus 5, and then taking -2 common, I'm getting x minus 5. So I've done the right thing. Okay, it's going to be x minus 2 and x minus 5. Okay, so one of my x comes out to be 2, and the other one comes out to be 5. Is it clear? Okay, now using the same, using quadratic formula, so x a is 1, b is -7, c is 10. Okay, -7 plus minus under the root
सर एक
b
सेकंड.
Sir,
square.
in this case, my
सर
answer
मैं
for x was -2, not +2.
Which one?
मेरा भी सर. -2 आ
Sir,
रहा
when
है
I
x
when I
का
when
आंसर.
I used the quadratic formula,
Mhm.
the value 2 wasn't in positive, it was in negative actually.
Which one?
और मेरा फ्रैक्शन.
So the value
सर
of
x की
x,
वैल्यू.
like in my answer, the value of x is -2, not +2.
It should be positive 2. Ziad, what are you getting for question number
Sir,
3?
even I got
But
+2.
Question 3.
Yeah.
X squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0.
Uh-huh. So
Yeah.
what are the two values of x?
2 and 5.
2 and 5, that's it. It should be.
so then
Because this is
probably I
k.
made a mistake in the quadratic formula then.
Exactly. That is. Yeah, okay, let me check though. So that's going to be minus b plus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay. 7 plus minus, okay, 49 minus 40 over 2. So we're getting 7 plus minus 9 under root is 3. Okay. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir, I'm getting.
So, so 1 to be written with 7 positive 3, 2, and 7 minus 3 and 2. So, and 4 over 2. So, both the answers in positive. Okay, 5 and 2. Right?
सर जरा मुझे एक सेकंड देखने दो.
Sure, take your time.
ओके सर, अभी आ गया इधर।
Okay, so we are basically now moving towards the real thing which we need to do, and that is solving the equation using solving the non-linear simultaneous equation. So that is the main thing we are supposed to do, and this is a 6 mark question that is going to come in the exam. I want all of you to focus on the screen, everything left over. Okay, nothing, no one writing, no one doing anything, because this is something important. Okay, and let me give you a warning. I won't explain it again. So I want all of you to be here on the screen. Sometimes kids, they just keep on doing whatever they're doing, and then, but my kids are not like this. They're quite attentive in the class.
सही है सर, मैंने पेन दूसरी टेबल पे रख दी।
Exactly, that's what I want. Nothing to be written, nothing to be done. Just focus over here. And it's quite easy. Around 10 to 8 questions I'll share with you, and you guys are going to do. Okay, Bismillah. So, inspections. Okay. So I hope all of you are now clear with how to do these questions, the factorization and using the quadratic equation. Okay, now we are moving to the main question. Let me share this with you guys. Okay, ji, aa gaya. Yes, everyone on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, so this is a bit different from what we studied yesterday because they were linear equations. Okay, only Shazain has so far submitted the work. None of you have submitted the work so far, and that's quite astonishing.
Sir, which work?
Which I assigned yesterday.
सर
Sir,
तो
I
आज
was
रात
doing the
की टाइम
exam.
है ना सर, मैंने आधे पेज किए हैं, अभी तक आधे रह गए।
No, everything has to be done before the class. Okay, submission time is before the class. You have the one whole day for that. Once upon a time, a student came. He said, "Assalamu alaikum, sir," and we said, "Allah Hafiz." Uh, okay, so yeah, for you, there is a good news that there is class recording going on. So you can just sit and watch.
सर थैंक यू सर मुझे कसम से याद ही नहीं था आज क्लासेस सर सॉरी सर
पेनल्टी होनी चाहिए तुम्हारे ऊपर। साथ मैसेज कर रहा है, मैं मैसेजेस कर रहा हूँ।
सर
You just
आपको
forget.
बताता हूँ सर, मेरी बहन के जो फोन है ना वो दूसरे फोन में जाती है ना, नया फोन उसने लिया है, तो सर उसमें ना व्हाट्सएप में मसले आ रहे हैं, तो उस फोन में जा नहीं रहा, तो उसका फोन व्हाट्सएप बंद होता है फिर ऑन होता है, तो सर इसलिए मैसेजेस आए नहीं सर।
Okay, चले। Anyways, just look at the videos and then let me know. Okay.
बंदे ने लिटरली ग्रुप के ऊपर मैसेज सीन किया जब मैं साथ को उसका बता रहा था ना टाइमिंग का, इसने
हाँ
लिटरली वो सीन किया, फिर ये नहीं आया उसके बावजूद।
But
नहीं
sir,
नहीं, अल्लाह की कसम मैंने नहीं देखा, वो फिर मेरी बहन ने देखा, मुझे
Okay,
बताया नहीं है।
okay, just don't fight. Just be
अरे
here.
अरे
Okay,
अरे
no
अरे अरे
problem.
अरे
Because all right, we have got two
sir, आप
equations.
ग्रुप में नहीं है?
We have got
मैं
two
हूँ।
equations. Okay, come back. I want your attention. Just be there. Okay, so there are two equations. One is quadratic, one is linear. Okay, both of them are having y on one side, isn't it? Y on the left side. So what I can do here is y की, I can just substitute this value of y, which is 2x minus 3, in equation number 1. So that is going to be 2x minus 3 equals x squared minus 9x plus 21. Are you guys getting this?
Yes, sir.
Because both of them are having y, so that means they've left. If I say a equals to 2 and b equals to 2, so I can say a and b are equal. Isn't it?
जी सर
Because they do have the same. So yeah, exactly. So that's what we're going to do. So basically, we are comparing the two equations by putting their values alike. So what has happened now that we are having one equation, okay, which can be simplified to make a quadratic equation. Okay, so let's see. So that's going to be x squared minus 9x, because x squared comes first. So we are just having it minus 9x plus 21, and bring both the numbers on the left side towards right, making them their signs change. So we're getting minus 2x and plus 3 equals to 0. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everything shifted
yes
to
sir
one side of the equation. Okay, so x squared negative 9. Now you're arranging the like terms. Now minus 9x minus 2x makes it negative 11x plus 21 and 3 makes it 24. Okay, so now my dear students, you are very well at solving quadratic equations by factorization. Do it quickly and let me know what the answers you're getting. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's see who is the first.
So ये तीनों क्वेश्चंस करने हैं
जी,
ये तीनों क्वेश्चंस करने हैं
तीनों क्वेश्चंस कहाँ से आ गए? एक ही सवाल चल रहा है।
क्वेश्चन है ये भाई।
एक क्वेश्चन है, उसकी दो इक्वेशंस हैं. वी पुट इक्वेशन नंबर 2 and equation number 1, make it one equation. Then you have got this. You have to just find the two values of x. Then I'm going to tell you what you're going to do with that.
ओके सर
Done, sir.
Then, okay. At least two answers. At least two answers. Okay, can we move on? So let me know the two values. I want an answer from Ayan.
सर मैं बता सकता हूँ?
Sure. Okay.
सर मेरे आंसर्स आए हैं 3 and 8.
3 and 8. Ziad, what are your answers coming? Ziad is he in the meeting? Or he has left?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're there. Okay, that's great. The two factors are negative 3 and negative 8. Okay. So x minus 3 and negative 8. Like you're going to show everything. Okay. You're not going to skip any step. You won't be lousy. Show everything you're doing. Okay. So the two values of x we're getting is x equals to 8 and x equals to 3. But we want the values of y as well. So we are going to put these two values of x in equation number 1 or 2, whatever you want. But equation number 2 is a simplified version because it's a linear equation. So put in equation number 2, y equals to 2, 8 minus 3, 16 minus 3 gives me 30. Getting? So the two values of x and the first value of x and y is coming out to be 8 and 13. Okay. And now put this. 2, 3, negative 3, so 6 plus 3 gives me 3. So my values of x and y comes out to be 3 and 3. Is it easy?
Yes.
And you're going to get a good marks for this, like either 5 or 6 mark questions. So they're quite easy and you can easily solve them. Okay. So I'll be sharing some questions with you guys, and you're going to do it. I need to start up another lesson, but we can do
सर
it.
अगर
We can do
सिक्स
one more
मार्क का
question. Okay, so
क्वेश्चन है
just
तो
be
फिर
with me.
6 मार्क के हिसाब
Screenshot
से
this,
तो ये बहुत
please, if you
आसान है.
guys. Exactly, exactly. That's why I made the foundation for this first. That you guys must know how to split the minute term. Okay. Can you move on?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
screenshot this, please. Screenshot this, please. We haven't done, and you can complete this in your notebooks later on. Next question is x minus y equals to 7, and x plus y equals to x squared plus y equals to 149.
Sir,
Yes,
I have to go for prayer right now.
you need to go for prayer. Okay, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may leave. The recording will be there, inshallah. You can watch the remaining part. Just be there.
Sir, bye, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Alaikum. Okay, so what we can do here is that
सर
we can make the whole
149 है ये
equation.
149.
Yeah, it's 149. Yeah. So this equation is a bit like scattered. So we want to make it similar. Okay. What we can do here is that we can make this the subject of x. Okay. So x is going to be 7 plus y. Okay. Or what I can do is make y the subject. Make y the subject for this one. So that's going to be take y to the other side and bring that to the other side. So it's going to be x minus 7 equals to y. Or I can say y equals to x minus 7. Is this clear?
सर तो मैं नीचे भी ये कर देंगे कि y को हम वहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट बना देंगे.
Exactly. Y is positive. Okay. Now what we are doing, plug in this value of y over here. And that's directly going to give you a quadratic equation. So that's going to be x squared. Okay. So this is equation number 1 and that's equation number 2. You are going to put the value of put y in equation number 2.
तो सर हम y
X
को
squared
पहले
plus-
सब्जेक्ट नहीं बनाएंगे नीचे भी.
You don't need to because you are already having y over there. So you can directly put this value of y in the place of y over there in the equation number 2.
ओके सर.
Getting? So take out that 149 over there. So that becomes, how much is becoming? दोनों negative हो गए. So it's going to be 156. Okay.
156.
156. Now you guys are going to split the minute term, dividing factorization, or you can use the quadratic equation as well. It's your choice. Okay. The quadratic equation is a bit time consuming, so minute term breaking is more easier. 156. 2 7s are. करो इसको and let me know what the two answers you're getting. And once you get two answers, so you're going to put the two values of x one by one in this equation. Okay, in this equation. So you can write put in y equals to x minus 7 and put the value of x and you'll get the values of y. I hope it's clear. Okay, you can put in equation number 1 as well, but equation 1 will be more complex because it's not being made the subject of y. I hope it's clear.
Yes.
Sir, middle term will be 13 and 12.
शाहजहान कौन सी क्वेश्चन की 13 और 12 मिल टर्म है?
X square plus x minus 156 equals 0.
Okay, thanks.
So we're going to substitute these values over there. So 12 minus 7 It's going to be 5 and minus 13 minus 7. We are plugging into this one, okay? So this is the equation, okay? My dear students, I need to start up my other lesson. So you guys can just quickly note down all of this, okay? And then do it quickly, and then you can leave. I'm starting another lesson. So inshallah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. And for physics, the class
Okay,
will
sir.
start
Allah
at 5.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Class starts at 5
Allah Hafiz.
tomorrow, okay? Allah Hafiz. Allah
Okay,
Hafiz. Allah
सर
Hafiz.
मैथ्स
Allah
की आपकी कोई और क्लास
No, it's for physics tomorrow.
ओके सर
Please upload the what do you say? वीडियो प्लीज के अपलोड कर दीजिएगा उमर, ठीक है?
मुझे बहुत मसला हो रहा है, अभी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी बैठ के।
हाँ, मीटिंग क्रिएट
ओके
कर
सर,
लो,
अल्लाह हाफिज।
बैठे हो सारे मिलके,
हाँ
ठीक है?
वो देख लेंगे।
प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आ जाएगा इंशाल्लाह, मुश्किल नहीं है। बताओ फिर, ठीक?
ओके सर, अल्लाह हाफिज।
चलो, ओके।